Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you AMU 11th Science Entrance 10 last year paper. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel. So let's start. So this AMU paper is 2002 year paper. First question is consider the number. First you have to consider the number that this is rational number or not. Okay, so from this which of the following is rational number? Okay, so the answer is D. Second one, consider the following statement about the irrational number. So you have to consider the statement that which of the following is irrational number, means which of the statement of irrational number is correct. Okay, so from this which of the statement is correct? So the answer is A only. Okay, or A only. Then third one, which of the statement is correct? So from this choice you have to choose that which of the following is correct. So B1, answer B is correct. Okay, fourth one, consider the following statement about n root a. You have to consider it. N is a positive integer. Yeah, a is positive rational number. So from this A and B, the answer is A and B. Identify the equation whose graph will be the systematic about the x-axis. So the answer is B. Okay. Now, sixth one. Which of the following statement given below is not correct? From this four, you have to choose which of the following is not correct. So the answer is B. The answer is B. Okay. Then seventh one. Which of the following is not polynomial? From this you have to choose which of the following not polynomial. You have studied in class 10, so maybe you know which of the following is correct. So the answer is B. Eighth one, consider the statement given below above the polynomials g, x and fx of the degree n and m respectively. So you have to choose that which of the statement of these polynomials are correct. So the answer is B, means D, option D, B only. Okay. Next, ninth, which of the following equation is not linear? So the answer is B, only B. B1 is not linear. 10th one, to calculate the age of the man. So first of all you have to calculate the age of man and his son. Then whatever you get the answer is C. Okay, the answer is C. Okay. Then 11th one, A and B can do the same work together in 8 days, which A can do on its 8th way. How many days will be B take? So whatever you solve, the answer will be D. 24 answer you will get. Okay. 12th one is, what is the value of algorithm of 3 to the base 9? So the answer is C. Okay. Okay. Then 13.1. If all x log x is equals to minus 2.3052 1352 and the number corresponding to 1352 is 1366, then x is whatever you choose. So the answer is okay. Then 14. The area of rectangle piece of land is 96 meters square and the sides are ratio itna. So the ratio you have given, the parameters of land you have to solve. Whatever you get the answer, but from the choice you will get only 40 meters. So answer will be 40 only. Okay. Now fifth one, the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides of parallelogram is 8 cm. The perpendicular distance between the other two sides is 7 cm. Okay, if the sides that are 7 cm apart are 10 long each, the length of the other side is, so perpendicular distance and two parallel sides of parallelogram is given. So you have to put the formula whatever, so you will get the answer C. Now here is a triangle given. Consider the triangle and compare the triangle described. Okay, whatever it is described. So here are triangle given. So they have asked the question which of these triangles are corresponding to the angle AB triangle ABC. So the answer is D. Okay. Then in 17th one, the cyclic quadrilateral ABC, it's an angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree. So whatever you get the answer, you will get 95. Okay, what you will get? 95. Wait, let me mark that answer. 95. Okay, so that you won't have the. Now 18th one, if the figure made by joining the midpoint of the side of the quadrant is a rhombus and the quadrant must be a rectangle. So the answer will be a rectangle, because in the 10th class you will study this. You will know the answer if you have learned it correctly. What is the length of line connecting the points in a rectangular coordinate system? So the points have been given. So first you have to solve it. Then you will get the answer B, 2 under root 5. 21 a line has positive integer and axis integers. We have to select. Then they have asked which cannot be lie on the line. So the answer will be B1. Which one? B1. Okay. Now 21, which of the following equation given below represent a line parallel to the represented by the equation? So the answer will be B. Okay. Ahmed's salary is 25% more than Mukesh's salary, but the percentage you have to solve the equation by percentage and whatever you get. So the answer will be C. 23, the number of cubic system. This is the question from the volume chapter. So you have to know. First you have the volume, you know, the surface. You have to find the radius of the sphere. So the answer will be A. Okay, the answer will be A. A1. Okay. Now 24. 300 spare balls bearing the radius. Here also you have to find the length of the wire needed. So the answer will be C. Okay. The answer will be C. Now, which is the pair of the trigonometry ratios? So the trigonometry chapter, I know it's so hard. I have learned it. So 25. If you have learned the all sine theta tan theta, then you will know it's easy for you. So the answer of this is C. Okay. Let me mark for you. Okay. Now 26, the locus center of a circle touching a given line at the same point P. So the answer will be C. Okay. C. Now consider the following question. You have to consider the following: which of these are identities? From this two, which is are the identities? So answer is B1. B1 is the identity. The mean of volume, the mean of 30 values was calculated. So calculated 150 on checking it, discovered a value. So first you have to correct the mean by. So this chapter is from the data, then intent. Then so the answer will be C. Okay. Consider the following sets of data. So from this you have to solve with the problem, and answer will be C1. Okay. Then this is also same as like the mark obtained out by 50 and 100 students test given the frequency table, number of students who obtain up to 15 marks. So the answer of this question is C. Which one? C. Consider the fact given. So now chemistry came. First we were solving maths and now chemistry. Okay. Consider the fact given below. We have to consider the fact given below. Which of the following is explained Dalton atomic theory? Okay, so the answer will be A. A and C. Okay. Now, which of the following is not deflected by the electric field? Now, this is physics. Okay. X-ray. According to no, this is physics also, and this is chemistry. According to our understanding today an atom is bigger than the nucleus by the factor of. The answer is C. This one answer is A. Okay. I have not marked, so I am marking it. We are following statement about sodium and sodium ion is correct. So the answer is B. Okay. So the answer is B. Now, which of the following statement about the Newton atom is correct? Which of the statement is correct about Newton atom? So the answer is B. Answer is B. Elements that have 7 electrons, the outmost shells, are called A. Halogens. 37. Which of the following elements from only covalent bonds? Which of the following are only covalent bonds? So the answer is D. Carbon. Okay. Which of the following is true when an ionic bond is formed between X and Y? So the answer is C. 39. Which of the following is example of decomposition reaction? So the answer is B. Which of the following statement about metal is not correct? Statement of metal is not correct, and this R is 1. D. Which of the following are the constituents of the ion generation? The answer is C. 42. Consider the following statement about the graphic diamond. So which of the following is correct about the diamond and graphic? So the answer is C. Okay. Which of the following is produced when the sodium acid mixed with the sodium alum is heated? Which of the answer is correct? So the answer is A. A1. Okay. Now, what is the chemical term for spirit? Spirit chemical term is A. Ethanol. Okay. Which of the following is not a petroleum product? Petroleum product is not methanol and alcohol. So which of the following stated above polynomial is not correct? The answer is B. Okay, so the answer is B. B1. Which of the following is most abundant element on the earth? Oxygen. The average speed of a car of journey is v. Which of the following statement about the journey is correct? So none of the journey is not correct. The statement is not correct. Okay, D. Consider the distance. So here the graph is given. So you have to solve it. This which of the statement follow this correct? So the answer is B. When they cross each other, their speeds were same. No, not B. A. Average speed of P and X are same. See, they are not moving, so they are same. Here, C. Consider the statement given below. Object external forces apply. So which of the statement is correct? So you will, another one is correct. D answer is. Then 51. A tennis ball. You have to read the question. Which force on the ball is? So the answer is 100 N Newton. Consider not Newton and. Consider statement above the horse pulling card over here. So the answer for 52 is C. Okay. Then 53. Mass of 1 kg and 4 kg are tied to the end of the string and drop from the height. Which of the following chain or these is correct? So the answer is A. Okay. A1. 54. If G were accelerated due to gravity surface of the planet, then would be the area of another planet. So the which radius will be B. Okay. A ball is bouncing up and down from the frictional surface in black and which of the physical quantity do not change. So the answer will be C. So now 56 one. Because quantity association with the weight do not depend on the property. So physics frequency only. The answer will be A. Consider the following situation. Consider the situation. So the answer of this will be D. I will mark it. Okay. Body A is a higher temperature than body B and brought in contact. Heat will flow from A to B. Okay. An object is placed between the focus and the C. Here, convex lens. If you have learned the table, so it will easy for you to find the answer. So here the answer will be D. Okay. The color would be produced if red light overlap with the green light. So the answer will be C. Here a 100 watt heating coil is cut into two equal parts. If the two parts are used to separate as the heaters, what will be the combined voltage? So the answer will be D. Okay. Which the combination of four equal resistance will be offer minimum resistance to current. So the answer will be C. Okay. From your point of view, the magnetic field at a place upon upwards from the ground. So you have to read it and you have to answer it. So the answer will be away from you. Joule, joule and volt is a measurement of which of the following? So the answer will be D. Okay. Answer will be D. Then which of the following constitute the same species? Now biology. All human being. Okay. All human being. Which of the following is not an example of adaptation? So the answer will be D. Okay. In addition to the physical components of the environment, the habitat of an organism involved. So the answer will be plant as well as other animals. Okay. Now, which of the following characters of living organism is common to the machine? So the answer will be energy required for the functional. Okay. So the answer will be D. I will mark here so it will be easy for you to learn. The next higher level in the inheritance of the organisms is C. Population. Okay. Population. Now consider the following compounds of wheat fields. You have to consider compound from including also which are included in the ecosystem of the wheat fields. The answer will be B. The part of the cell containing information for the function of the cell is chromosomes. Which of the following is not a characteristic of mitosomes? So the answer will be B. The part of the cell that releases energy for use by the cell is called mitochondria. Which of the following examples of sexual production of organisms? So the answer will be none of these. Dairy energy requirement in a kilojoules of adult is about C. 15,000. Which of the following food is good source of both proteins and fats? The answer will be egg. Which of the following disease is not caused by the virus? So the answer will be D. To which tropical level do herbaceous belongs? C. Consider the following process. Which of the following is a part of carbon cycle? So the answer will be C. Okay. The main pollutants in the atmosphere is C. Okay. Answer is C. The ninth 5-year plan ends and ended in the year 2002. Okay. And the answer will be C. Here I will mark for you. Now, which of the following number is written as 101? 101 I will write here. So, 1. No, wait. 1, 1 and 1. It is here 101. Okay. Please don't be confused. Okay, in the billion system, so answer will be C. Which of the following is a quantity measurement on the Richter scale? So the answer of this will be A. Okay. Okay, now the United Nation official came into existence in the year of 1945. So 84 answer will be D. Okay, here I will mark D. And the term colonizer belongs to the field of biology. you will know this. Well, the term Navaroda Pati has been in the news lately in the connection with Gujarat Rotis, who wrote the lyrics of Lagan, Javed Akhtar. So here general knowledge and Islamic studies will be involved. So you have to study it. The next Cricket World Cup will be held in South Africa, in which year the state of Chhattisgarh was created, 2020. The tomb of the famous Urdu poet Mirza Ghalib is situated in Delhi. Okay, here I will mark Delhi. Okay, which Muslim ruler used to earn money by writing copies of Quran? Aurangzeb. The name of the Amjad Ali Khan is related with classic Indian music. Then the book India Wins Freedom is written by Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. University is Dargah of Hazrat Razaddin situated Delhi. The Khalif movement you have studied in history, so you will know it easily. So answer the C, which is the following: Abdul Kalam Azad first and Dr. Zakir Hussain second and Premchand third has been awarded the Bharat Natyam Award. So the answer will be A. Which Urdu poet, if you know that, so you will, if you have learned the Islamic and all, so you Indo-Islamic, so you will know this all. Which Urdu poet is famous for his illeagues? B. According to the Christian calendar, the next Islamic study year will begin in March 2003. The journal Azabul Akhlaq was started in. So the answer will be C. Who started it? And Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born in early 19th century. Okay, so here I have to explain you that according to me, here first of all, who will make the paper, they can put anything, maths first or your science or Indo-Islamic or general knowledge. If they put first maths, it will be so hard according to me. If you have study all full syllabus, so it will be easy for you, because there are negative marking. See here it is written that negative marking, paper shall contain 100 question of 1 mark each, and there will be negative marking. Okay, so general knowledge, if you have reading the newspaper or magazine every day, or your on mobile you have read general knowledge every day, or you know the news every day, so you will easily know it. And here for Indo-Islamic, Nas guide is best. Okay, I recommend you. So here biology 17 marks, and physics 17 marks, and chemistry 16 marks, and maths 13 marks, general knowledge 10, and Indo-Islamic culture 10. It depends on them what they put first in the paper, Islamic studies, Indo-Islamic, or maths. If maths, so it will be little hard. If you study it full of syllabus, then you will know it easily. Okay, so once again I'm showing you the paper so that you have no problem. Okay, see here. First in 2002 they have put the paper like this. It had been gone like this. Okay, if you have studied it, so it will be easy for you. So in the next video I will be making the video on second year, means second after 2003. Okay, so please, thank you for watching my video. Bye.